Alright guys, I'm trying to rebuild this engine. This engine is a 4D32 engine. Now when I broke up the engine, this is what I saw. If you take a look at this piston, you see those marks. When you see those marks, the next thing you should do is look at the cylinder bore. If you look at the cylinder bore, can you see those lines? Now the rule of thumb is you feel it in the side. If you can feel a groove, then it's no good. So first you have to replace the pistons, the piston rings, and get a liner kit for your block. Do not, I repeat, do not put new rings, which I was going to do. I already bought a set of piston rings. See here? It's TP brand. I already bought the piston rings, and when I got home, that's when I noticed this piston. So when I checked, I took a look at the block, and that's what I saw. So right now I'm going to have to buy a new set of pistons and get this block to the machine shop to have it fixed. Putting new piston rings would just be a waste of money, time, and effort, because the grooves you saw here in the block would just wear out your new piston rings. So that's that for the update. Oh, this engine belongs to that truck. I'm going to buy a new cab, and the cargo box is down at the yard. I took it off so I could repaint the whole chassis. I just fixed the brakes. I'm already done with the differential. So next in line would be the engine and the transmission, which is already partially cleaned, as you see. So a lot of muck and grime off of that, especially that. So if you notice, the parts are on the floor. It's partially cleaned. Before we assemble the engine, all the parts will be re-washed and placed in the table. Another project is an automatic transmission from the Crosswind. So right now it's a dirty table. I'm just waiting for the parts, and tomorrow morning I'll get my parts for that transmission. Maybe tomorrow afternoon I'm going to have it fully assembled and installed to this 2002 Isuzu Crosswind. So more or less that's that for today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks guys.